Hello everyone. Today I'm working on the 1961 Buick Electra. Now before I got this car, it sat outside for 11 or 12 years. Aside from the elements and rust affecting the exterior, rodents had been calling the interior home. This is me vacuuming the car out for the first time to get rid of their droppings. Little did I know, rodents weren't the only thing I'd be dealing with. So the not so nice side of owning an old classic car, especially if it's been kept outside for a long time, is you risk things like rodents, and in this specific case I'm dealing with a carpet beetle infestation. Now you can see there's this powder everywhere. What I've got here is a powder. It's a peppermint powder which helps deter rodents and a lot of different pests, but it's also diatomaceous earth. And I've just sprinkled that. I've kind of tossed it on the headliner, tossed it on the rear shelf, tossed it on the seats, on the interior door panels, and especially on the carpets because I'm dealing with carpet beetles. I even sprinkled it everywhere in the trunk. Basically, I need to let this powder sit in here for 12 hours and do its thing, and then I'm going to have to Shop-Vac the entire vehicle. Now, this interior, it definitely needs to be redone, but I don't have anywhere to store the seats right now while I rip the carpeting out, so unfortunately I can't do it right now. So I'm just trying to mitigate this and keep it from getting any worse. And I also don't like working on a vehicle where I've got to get in and there's creepy crawlies everywhere. Now this diatomaceous earth is food grade and is supposed to be safe around people and pets, but it is a powder, and the way it works is, I guess it's got sharp edges, and so when the carpet beetles come in contact with them, it kills the insects, carpet beetles. And so you don't want to be breathing this in. Even the precautionary statement says, do not ingest, use adequate ventilation, and avoid breathing dust. Use a dust mask and safety glasses. I had safety glasses on and an N95 dust mask. If you're trying to find this exact product, I'll put a link in the description for it. Hopefully this is the last time I ever run into carpet beetles, but you never know.